What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove song or music from your Instagram post after posting. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your Instagram. After going to your Instagram, you have to click on your profile. Go to your profile and find the photo that you want to remove the music from. So I want to remove the music from this photo. Here you can see there is already a music added on this photo. I want to remove it. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video to solve your problem and leave a like on this video if this video helped you. After that, what you need to do is click on this three dot bar icon. After clicking on this, you have to click on edit, and here you can see here is no such option for music deletion or remove the music from this photo. So what we can do is going back. After clicking on back option, you have to click on this three dot bar icon again. After clicking on this, you have to click on delete. Then you have to click on delete again. So after deleting the post, you have to repost the photo and again, so without the music, so that you can remove the music from your photo. This is the only way guys that you can remove the music from your photo. There is no other option. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.